This is Shinagawa, Tokyo suburbs. This is Shinagawa station. First stop for Kodama. This is bullet train Kodama. I was dreaming about, I was studying about, I was doing research about bullet trains like Hikari, Nozomi, Hikari, Kodama, Tokaido, Okuriko, Joetsu. So these are all Shinkansen lines. Sanyo Shinkansen, Hokkaido Shinkansen. So I have 3 more rivals. Today is second, so I have 3 more days with the JR Pass. So I will explore maximum. So I have to go to Kyoto, I have to go to Hiroshima with JR Pass, and Osaka anyhow I am going today. So I will explore if possible. If time is there again, I will come back to Tokyo by bullet train and leave within 1 hour. Let me see how it looks, because this is the first route in the world where bullet trains have started. It's called Tokaido line. So it is from Tokyo to Osaka. Very famous, world famous. So we have trains at every 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes we have bullet train. See the traffic. So I can't get into Nozomi with JR Pass. Again I have to pay like 4,500 yen. That means 2,500 rupees, which I am not interested, because this is almost another Hikari and Kodama. They reach in same distance, maybe same time, or maybe 10 minutes extra with more stops. That's fine for me. This is Tokyo city, Shinagawa, from bullet train window. Excellent view. So speed is picking up. It will reach 250 plus 300. So this train is going to Nagoya. Nagoya city is center of Japan. So I am also planning today, or otherwise I will come back from Osaka. So next stop is Shin Yokohama. Shin means Shinkansen stop. Yokohama is a city. So Yokohama is the next stop. I enjoy this beautiful city view, or rural view, whatever it is, but train view from the train window is always amazing. Excellent. This is Yokohama city. This is like suburbs, Tokyo suburbs. That's why Tokyo has become largest metropolis or megapolis in the world, because it is surrounded by several, couple of metropolises, couple of big cities. Another train is stopping in the next platform. This looks like Nozomi, fastest train in this Hokkaido line. Is full, always full, Nozomi. She is saying hi. We are just crossing Nozomi. I think Nozomi train. See the Nozomi bullet train. It just started and picking up the speed, so we can't even see the train properly. Let me record for some time, because I see so many trains passing, so many Shinkansen trains passing in opposite direction, going in opposite direction. So because this is busiest Shinkansen route, Tokaido, in Japan, so I think that is the reason trains are very frequent. And you can also see the rural, town or rural background. Funny and best thing is no one will check our tickets. Ticket conductor will pass with his iPad in his hands. So because I have reserved 8E, just he will check whether I am sitting in 8E or not, whether it is occupied or not. That's it. He never asks my ticket, my passport or my JR pass, anything. He just go passes from the cars, coaches. So we are going towards Nagoya, Osaka, Kyoto. So this is south of CC, another bullet train. That's what I was mentioning. So we are going towards south. I think weather will become more warmer in the south because Tokyo is towards north. So I was freezing yesterday, and I was touring entire Tokyo city in rain and cold because there was no option. So I can't stay today. There is no, I can't extend, and there is no bed available in my hostel. So I have to go to Osaka. That's it. And Osaka also, there are so many places to visit like Kyoto, Kobe, Hiroshima. So if I stay here one day, so I have to miss them, which are very, very important in Japan, like Hiroshima, Kobe and Kyoto are very touristic. We are arriving at Odawara. Throughout Japan we can see industries, whether it is north, south, west, east. So there are several hundreds of industries. That's why it was booming like anything, economy. Even we don't know the most of the companies, because they are good in shipbuilding, they are good in several other things. You can see big Amazon go down there. So entirely Amazon warehouse. Sorry, I mean to say. Odawara. This is third stop. You can see cemetery big cemetery in most of the towns and villages. So they look like Christian cemeteries, but people follow different Shintoism, I think, Buddhism and Shintoism. So this is Mishima. So we can. This is the baggage lockers. So we can reserve in advance. So you can see the reservation is required for these bags. So if the oversized bag compartments, so I don't know, we have to pay something. So this is the wash basin. So this is men's toilet, and that is ladies' toilet. So men's toilet, so this is the men's toilet, including small wash basin. This is looking very, very good, and it is very neat. So this is the baby diaper change and both ladies and gents toilet. So this is even wheelchair persons also can use. This is another Kodama. It is going to Tokyo. We are going towards Nagoya. So that train is going to Tokyo. So that also Kodama means stop in more stops. So that's why here it is stopping here. These doors are closing. Train is arriving in Shirubushi. The doors will open left side. So I have to get down. I have to take my baggage and get down here. This is Shinfuji. So this is going to Nagoya now. This is leaving. I got down at Shinfuji station. This is the train. So it's 16 cars. So I was sitting in car 14, seat number 12. E is window. So always E is window and A is window. We have to remember. So whenever we book our seats, either we have to book A or E. So for windows. So this is 15 is non-reserved. So we can sit here without any seat reservation. So with our JR pass,